We're looking at a transaxle assembly out of a Toyota Prius, set out here for demonstration from the Automotive Department, Bellingham Technical College, during the 2010 Welding Rodeo. This is the main drive motor out of the Prius. It's actually a permanent magnet rotor and a three-phase stator. It's not really a three-phase induction motor, it's more a brushless DC motor. So these windings get pulsed with power from the transistor controller to pull the permanent magnets around. So it really operates more like a synchronous AC motor. Interesting detail here, right on the shaft, you see this sort of misshapen, I shouldn't say misshapen, the oblong piece of steel. That's actually part of the encoder assembly that the computer uses to determine the angle position of the rotor. It needs to know that so it knows when and where to energize the windings here to pull the magnets around properly. That phasing has to be proper. Now, a smaller version's over here. This is the setup that actually connects to indirectly to the engine of the Prius. So you've got the gasoline engine, you've got the wheels that this basically connects to through the differential assembly, and then you've got the small generator, which is also used as a motor to start the engine in the Prius. And these three components, the gasoline engine, this generator motor assembly, and the main drive motor, are three elements of a planetary gear system that makes the Prius drive system work, the Synergy drive. Now this also, just like the main drive motor, is a magnetized rotor, brushless DC motor, or you can think of it as an AC synchronous motor with semiconductor drive. Some other features to take a look at here. Notice here you have this shielding around the orange wires. The orange are the high voltage, high power wires in the Prius system. We see the shield removed over here. This is very important for reduction of radio frequency interference. This is very high frequency, high power electrical circuitry here, and it will produce a massive amount of radio interference unless you carefully shield it. That's what we're looking at. So once again, main drive motor, we have the smaller starter and generator assembly, and then the gasoline engine makes up the third component of the planetary gear system for the Toyota Synergy drive. Neat example of AC motor drive technology applied to a hybrid car.